Hey, what's up? It's Toni. Welcome back to my channel. So, I don't know if I told y'all this. Maybe I mentioned it in another video. I can't quite remember, but I had a birthday recently, right? I really didn't know what I kind of didn't know what I wanted for my birthday. I feel like I have everything. However, on the day of my birthday, my husband was sick, right? He was like, okay, so I want to get you some shoes for your birthday, and then you can get whatever else you pick. He was just, whatever. So I was saying, babe, you don't have to go just stay in the bed and we'll do this another day. No, I want to go. So anyway, we go out there and I see a couple things I like. I'm a person, it's weird. If I see something, I'm like, oh, that's really cute and I can really like it. I'm always like, but what if I see something else somewhere else that I like better? So I don't want to get that right now. So anyway, we looked at a couple places and I was like, okay, that's cute. Let me think about it. But then in the process, he got sick because we went to lunch and we were going to go back to the store. And he was like, babe, I'm just going to let you go. And he was like, because I'm starting to feel a little weak. So anyway, I was like, okay, no problem. So I had something in mind. Anyway, like a week later, I went to get the shoes, right? So I get there and I'm like, yay, okay, these are the ones. I'm going to get these. I go up there and they're like, oh, yeah, these are cute. Oh, we don't have them in your size. I'm like, crap. It's like, but we can see if we can find them at another store. Find them in another store. Cool. We're going to ship them to your house from San Diego. Now, I wear an 8.5 shoe. And so they brought out 8.5 and another shoe that was kind of the same style to see what size I needed. And I was like, they were like, you probably should get the 9 because 8.5 is a little tight and whatever. So we ordered the 9, 39 or whatever. Ordered it. I'm waiting. Yay! It showed up at my house. I'm so excited. The plan was to do just a full total unboxing for you guys, and then it just turned into something else because my husband's like, well, let me see which ones you pick because he wasn't there when I finally got them and whatever. So, got the box yesterday, like last night. So let me open them for you. Yay! So this box came. I'm like, yes, so pumped, right? Just so you see, it came like my receipt was on top, but this is how the box was when I opened it. Had the receipt and like the little Chanel stuff and 2 Chanel dust bags for each shoe. So let's get the shoe out. So open the shoe up, right? I love heels. I wear heels all the time, but now that I have kids, I'm always looking for something that's flat. So I have more tennis shoes than I've ever had in my life and more flats than I've ever owned in my life, like in the last 3-4 years. Anyway, here they are. Freaking love these, man. They're called I keep forgetting. Name is room service or something. These are it. These suckers are fly. I've had variations of these, like in a million different brands. I just decided to get a Chanel pair, right? I'm so hyped. I'm like, baby. My husband's like, yeah, those is fresh. You picked that. Those are real cute. Awesome. Why I put that sucker on and it's too little? After all of that, I was looking at them like, this thing feel the same as the one at the...
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
After all that, them things is too little. I'm all hyped like, oh yeah, they too friggin' little. And they are the right size that they said they were gonna send, but they feel the same as the ones that I tried in the store. I'm just so... I'm gonna have to come up with a remedy. I guess, like, I'm just done. Like, I'm just like, oh, God. So it looked like I'm going to have to take them back and figure something else out. I hope they have the size up maybe, or I may just have to find another shoe altogether. Who knows?